Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question for today is, why do I have fleas, but I don't have any pets? Your yard can be host to all sorts of animals when you're not around. Think about your neighbor walking the dog. Maybe in the morning or the evening time, walk them through the yard, the dog scratches in your yard. Now you could potentially have either fleas, larvae, or eggs inside your yard. You coming home from work, coming home from school, walk through your yard, now you drag them into your house. Once you start vacuuming, boom, now we have a flea explosion. But it doesn't necessarily have to be that creepy neighbor. It can also be a squirrel running through your yard, your occasional possum at night, or even those cute little trash pandas. Fleas can live for several months without eating, so you just simply walking through your yard, you can collect those little guys and drag them in to begin the explosion inside the home. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today.
Camera is rolling. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, let's do it. Boom, now we have a flea explosion. It's about all I have for that moment. What do you think about that? Oh, you weren't paying attention to any of it? Damn.